It's Friday.
It is Friday, and we've got the longest side of the house pretty much sided except for a few feet up at the top.
We're gonna add some lap siding to the front, add the battens, and hopefully some paint today. Weather is turning, so we've got to get this situation all tidied up.
Yeah, it drops down in the 50s this weekend, so.
We won't get it finished, but we'll show you what we get done.
So Jami has been caulking all these seams. These are actually getting covered up by the battens, so you won't see all those nails and things. We'll have to silicone a couple of them, not a big deal, but you can see where she ran out of white, and so she's been using some black caulk, and
clear.
Right here there was clear, and you can see where she can reach to as well. Okay, so up there, we've got it sided all the way up to that point, but I've got to do lap siding, which are these pieces here that have to go in, and they'll sit up against the trim once I get that piece up in there. But this is all done down the side, and we're almost ready to finish putting on the battens.
All right, so Zeb's putting the last piece of trim on the top before we start the lap siding.
All right, so this piece is gonna go in the middle, kind of breaking up the batten, and then on the bottom, we're going to not do any batten here because we're gonna have like this big awning. So we don't really need to. I'm wondering, we might do it over here on the sides, right? Because it will go 2 feet.
Yeah, I haven't figured that out yet.
Good luck with
math, and I don't know how it's gonna look.
Well, we'll start on that side.
Okay.
Okay, done. Zeb's getting it put on.
We're up here in the corner, and this is a little short, but that's okay because that's gonna hide up underneath the soffit here. So gonna caulk this, get this all painted up, knock all the plastic off of these nails. They make a nail that has a copper roll on it, but that leaves less mess, but I don't have that gun. So right now I just found this angle, and I'm gonna carry that all the way up, and we'll start running the lap over along this front here.
We got Grandma Harrington over here. Say hello, Mom.
Hello, Mom.
She's cleaning the windows. My mom doesn't come over a lot because she has COPD, so she can't do dusty stuff, but she does do windows. You're doing a really good job. Dad's in there listening to Roy Orbison and painting away.
I was gonna start in the center, but then I was like, I'm just gonna start from the end, and if I have one short on the other side, it's better than having one short on both sides.
These are all my friends, or girls night out.
100%, that was me.
And they really wanted to be on my channel. So in addition to working on the farmhouse today, we had girls night out at the shop, and we did not get to the paint.
We have the paint, but we didn't get to it.
But I purchased it, which is half the battle. Tomorrow when we get done with football games, I'll come back over here, we'll get some paint on. So the next video, you're gonna see there will be paint on the addition.
It should look really good because the board and batten turned out great. Even just starting on the end and not going from the middle, I really like the way it worked out.
Although, didn't I say start in the middle?
You did, but I didn't. I didn't do it.
If you guys are interested in clothes or home decor, hit up jrvhome.com for the paint and products we use for all of our DIYs. You can visit jamirayvintage.com. Both those support our channel and builds like this. Be sure to give us that thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.